Take a look at your jawline. Now imagine it noticeably sharper, more defined, in exactly 10 days. Most men think the face they see in the mirror is just the result of bad luck or aging. But what if I told you that for most of you, your actual bone structure is simply hidden under layers of inflammation, water retention, and biological signals that are working against you? No surgery, no injections, just biology. On Healthy Body Science, we don't chase trends. We look at the mechanics of the human body. Today, I'm exposing the 6 daily mistakes that are silently softening your face, blurring your features, and making you look 5 to 10 years older than you actually are. We're going to talk about why your morning puffiness isn't fat. It's a chemical imbalance, and why the modern diet has literally caused your facial muscles to go into hibernation. This isn't about magic exercises. This is about layered biology. We're going to stack 6 specific shifts, from balancing your cellular fluids in 72 hours to hacking your cortisol levels to prevent collagen breakdown. Pay close attention to mistake number 5, because that is where the real, visible transition from a soft face to a chiseled structure begins. If you get this wrong, none of the other steps will matter. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how to stack these layers for maximum acceleration. Let's dive. Look at your jawline. Now imagine it noticeably sharper. In just 10 days, no surgery, no injections, no extreme dieting. On Healthy Body Science, we focus on simple biology that actually works. Today, I'll show you the 6 daily mistakes that are silently softening your face. And in a few minutes, I'll explain why stress alone can make a lean man look 5 to 10 years older. Stay with me, because mistake number 5 is where real visible change begins. This is not aging, this is biology. If your face looks soft in the morning, it's usually not fat, it's water. And here's the part most men don't know. Your face is one of the first places your body stores excess fluid. Why? Because of sodium and potassium imbalance. Too much salt, not enough potassium. Water gets trapped under the skin, especially in the cheeks. But here's the good news. This is one of the fastest things to fix. And in 60 seconds, I'll show you the fastest way to flush it. What to do: increase potassium daily, spinach, sweet potatoes, white beans, salmon, coconut water, bananas, or make this simple drink: spinach plus banana plus berries plus chia plus coconut water. Within 72 hours, many men notice more urination, less facial tightness, sharper cheek lines. But don't skip this next part, because even if you fix sodium, inflammation can still blur your jawline. Even lean men can look puffy. That's inflammation, and it changes how light hits your face. Sugar, alcohol, seed oils, poor sleep. They create low-grade inflammation. It's subtle, but it softens definition. In a moment, I'll give you a 7-day reset that many men say visibly tightens their face. First, remove canola oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil. Use instead olive oil, butter, ghee. Add wild salmon, blueberries, walnuts, turmeric, plus black pepper, ginger tea. Optional. 1 to 2 grams omega-3 daily. Do this. Take a photo every morning for 7 days. Same lighting, same angle. You may not notice daily change, but by day 7, the difference becomes clear. And coming up next, something almost no one trains anymore, but used to define masculine faces naturally. Your jawline isn't just bone, it's supported by muscle, the masseter. And modern diets have made it weaker. Soft foods, processed meals, less chewing, less stimulus equals less shape. But here's what most people get wrong. More is not better. Overtraining the jaw can cause pain. Instead, controlled stimulation works best. Here's the safe approach. Hard sugar-free gum, 10 to 15 minutes per side. Once daily chin tucks 10 reps, hold 10 seconds. Repeat throughout the day. Light neck strengthening 3 sets of 12 to 15, 2 to 3 times weekly. Within days, you may feel tightness. Within weeks, subtle lift. But none of this matters if cortisol stays high. And this next mistake is the one that surprises most men over 40. You can be lean, you can eat clean, but if cortisol stays elevated, your face changes. High stress causes water retention, fat storage in cheeks, collagen breakdown, skin thinning. This is why some men suddenly look older in stressful periods. Not aging, stress biology. And here's the encouraging part. This is reversible. Start here. Fixed bedtime dark cool room, no caffeine afternoon, 10 minutes, slow breathing daily. Limit intense workouts to 3 to 4 weekly. Optional, ashwagandha, K, S, M66, 600 milligrams daily. Many men report visible facial tightening in 2 to 3 weeks just from sleep improvement. But if you really want your jawline to stand out, you need to understand insulin, and that's mistake number 5. If you snack constantly, your body rarely burns fat. Insulin stays elevated, and face fat is usually the last to go. Here's a simple reset. 400 to 500 calorie deficit. Protein. 1 gram per pound. Body weight, 16 to 18 hour fasting. Window 2 to 3 fasted walks, weekly 30 minutes. Incline walking. Nothing extreme. Just consistency. When insulin drops, fat becomes available, cheeks lean, jaw sharpens. Give this 10 to 14 days, and you'll likely notice more visible chin line, less lower face softness. But here's something important. Even perfect biology can be hidden by poor presentation. Small grooming adjustments amplify everything. Hair, shorter sides elongate the face. Beard, trim cheeks slightly higher. Keep lower portions slightly fuller. Stubble, 3 to 5 millimeters, enhances contrast. Cold water in the morning, temporary tightening. Small changes, large perception shift. And now, let's stack everything. Here's why this works. Water balance tightens fast. Inflammation reduction reveals structure. Jaw training builds support. Fat loss sharpens edges. Stress control protects collagen. Grooming amplifies everything. Individually, small improvements. Combined, visible change. This is layered biology, not magic. Stack the layers. Acceleration happens. On Healthy Body Science, we don't chase trends. We simplify biology. Most men blame age, but often it's daily habits. Fix the habits. Track your face for 10 days. Same lighting, same angle. You'll likely see sharper jaw, less puffiness, stronger presence. Your face reflects your routine. Change the inputs. Change the reflection. Subscribe to Healthy Body Science for science-based strategies to look and feel your best. And remember, your jawline tomorrow starts with what you do today. 10 days, same face, different habits.